Hey, eLi, I thought I'd give you a little tour of my house, and also, I don't know which is way. I'm sorry. This is oh yeah, this is really cool. This is an etched glass screen, because I live near the mountain, and my piano room's over there. And anyway, you come in here, and there's tatamis, and you have to take your shoes off, so I put slippers here. And I was thinking about this. This is called it's a porch, and it's about this big. There's a little closet on this side, and I was thinking about making my church in here, because every morning I wake up and I have to think about stuff. There's my piano stool, the squeaky one. I've since changed it, and I'm just gonna vacuum. And anyway, so. As far as a church mascot, I think I'll use something like that. So how's everybody doing? It's Sunday here. It's a sunny day. Can you tell? I gotta open the blinds. I gotta go. I gotta have my coffee first. Wanna have coffee with me?